The morning sun creeps through your window, but your body feels heavy, as if the weight of years has settled into your bones. You're over 70, and that spark of energy you once took for granted seems like a distant memory, stolen by some unseen force. What if the exhaustion dragging you down isn't just aging, but a hidden trap you can escape? The world wants you to believe fatigue is inevitable, but I'm here to reveal 7 proven, natural tips to reclaim your vitality. Secrets buried by a system that profits from your weariness. Stay with me, because this isn't just about feeling awake, it's about unlocking a life that burns bright. Don't forget to subscribe to Golden Memories. First, let's talk about sleep quality, the foundation of energy. After 70, your body needs 7 to 8 hours of deep, restorative sleep, but it's not just about hours, it's about depth. Sleep medicine shows poor sleep increases fatigue, depression, and heart disease risk by 20%. Aging disrupts melatonin production, making rest elusive. Create a sleep sanctuary. Dim lights, avoid screens an hour before bed, and keep your room cool, around 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Try a warm herbal tea like chamomile or a 10-minute meditation to calm your mind. If you're waking refreshed, not tossing all night, you're not just sleeping, you're rebuilding. This isn't just rest, it's your body's secret engine, fueling decades more. Start tonight, and watch your mornings transform into bursts of life. Next, hydration. Sounds simple, but it's a game changer. Dehydration is a silent thief, sapping energy and clouding your mind. The Journal of Nutrition shows even mild dehydration cuts energy by 25% in seniors, as aging reduces thirst signals. Drinking 8 to 10 cups of water daily boosts circulation, delivering oxygen to your muscles and brain. Add lemon or cucumber for flavor, but skip sugary drinks. They spike blood sugar, crashing energy. Carry a water bottle. Sip consistently, especially with meals like eggs or veggies. If you're feeling clearer, stronger, you're not just drinking, you're reviving. This isn't just water, it's liquid life, powering your cells to fight fatigue. Movement is your body's rebellion against tiredness. After 70, sedentary habits drain energy, but 30 minutes of moderate activity, like brisk walking or chair yoga, can boost stamina by 30%, per the Journal of Aging and Physical Activity. Exercise increases blood flow, delivering nutrients to muscles and brain, and releases endorphins to lift mood. Try a daily walk in nature or gentle stretches while watching TV. Pair it with a protein-rich breakfast like Greek yogurt to fuel muscles. If you're moving with ease, keeping up with grandkids, you're not just active, you're alive. This isn't just exercise, it's a declaration that age doesn't own you. Nutrition is your energy's backbone. Poor diets, high in processed carbs or sugars, spike blood sugar, then crash it, leaving you drained. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition links nutrient-dense diets, like Mediterranean style, to 25% higher energy levels in seniors. Focus on whole grains, lean proteins like fish, and colorful veggies. Think spinach, berries, for antioxidants. Avoid heavy meals with bacon or pastries, they bog you down. A plate of salmon and quinoa keeps blood sugar steady, heart strong. If you're savoring vibrant foods, you're not just eating, you're fueling a century. This isn't just food, it's your body's rocket fuel. Mental stimulation fights the fog of fatigue. Aging can slow cognition, making you feel sluggish, but engaging your brain, puzzles, reading, or learning a skill, boosts energy by 20%, per neurology. Mental activity strengthens neural connections, reducing dementia risk and lifting mood. Try a daily crossword or join a book club. Even 15 minutes keeps your mind sharp. Pair it with a healthy snack like nuts to sustain focus. If you're solving problems or laughing at new ideas, you're not just thinking, you're thriving. This isn't just a hobby, it's your brain's spark, igniting energy for years. Social connection is a hidden energy source. Loneliness drains you, raising fatigue and depression risk by 30%, per PLOS Medicine. Regular interaction, friends, family, or community groups, releases oxytocin, boosting mood and immunity. Call a friend, join a senior center, or volunteer weekly. Sharing stories over a light meal, like a veggie wrap, fuels both body and soul. If you're laughing with others, feeling seen, you're not just connected, you're charged. This isn't just socializing, it's a lifeline, pulling you from exhaustion to joy. Stress management is your final key. Chronic stress floods your body with cortisol, sapping energy and raising heart disease risk by 25%, per The Lancet. After 70, stress hits harder, but you can fight it naturally. Try 10 minutes of deep breathing or mindfulness daily. A walk in nature works wonders. Journaling or light stretching before bed calms the mind. If you're feeling lighter, more in control, you're not just coping, you're conquering. This isn't just relaxation, it's your shield against a world that wears you down. Start small, and feel the energy rise. You've just uncovered 7 natural ways: deep sleep, hydration, movement, nutrition, mental stimulation, connection, stress management, to banish fatigue after 70. Each choice is a rebellion against a system that wants you tired, frail, forgotten. You're not just aging, you're a force, reclaiming energy, health, and purpose. Start today. Sip water, walk, eat vibrant, connect, think, rest, breathe. You're over 70, wiser, stronger, ready to shine. Take these secrets, make them yours, and let your life burn bright again.